Next date is January 18, 622. It's 623, 7 minutes before the market opened. Dow future is up 57 point, S&P 16 point, and Nasdaq future is 77 point. I'm hoping I had a position, overnight position. Um, Big news today is Microsoft is laying off 10,000 people for the whole industry, for the whole high-tech industry. 10,000 employees will be laying off. My position today, I had a position Nikkei and mini Nasdaq. I'm down $146 as of now. Why do I take that position? Nikkei is overbought. It's overbought. So I'm hoping this one will go down on a 4-hour time frame, go down all the way right here. And mini Nasdaq overbought too on a 4-hour time frame. I have this one for overnight position, and I'm not going to move anything because it's overbought condition. Nikkei is heading downward. I'm not sure about that mini Nasdaq. When it's going to go down, but I was down $90 as of now. $90, $91, and it's moving upward. The Nasdaq, I'm thinking it's gonna go up a little bit and then you go down. I'm gonna hold this position. I have the Nikkei since yesterday at 6 o'clock in the evening. This is an overnight position, a swing trade. Let's see the Nikkei. By the way, the one you see right now, this is a Bollinger Band. Upper green, lower red. 4-hour time frame. This one is heading down. I thought it was just gonna go down right here on this red candle, but it's not signaling yet. Check the 1-hour time frame, heading downward. 15 minutes, heading downward. In Nasdaq, for time frame, overbought position. Still climbing up. It's probably going to go up more to this kind of level. This is the position that I have right now. 1-hour time frame, almost overbought. Let's see what's going on later on. My goal is to trade for about 2 hours. Let's see what's going on. If we can accomplish the goal of $500 per day, let's see if it's going to work out. By the way, it's good morning, everyone. January 18, 627. These are my future watch list. Let's see the big hits. Big got up. Got a gap up. This on January 16. It got up 2 days ago. From 1972 went up all the way to 21. Now it's start to fill it. Yeah, 2 more minutes to open the market open 6:30. Now it's open. It's gonna move most volatile market now. Nasdaq and also E-mini S&P 500. Nikkei is going down on the red candle. Wholesale price fell 0.5 in December. So it's much more than expected. Like inflation, the Fed fighting the inflation is working. I will say we're going to have a soft landing later before the end of the year. Everything seems going to go back and little by little in normal price. Mini Nasdaq. Nikkei. Nikkei don't have any meaning. Nikkei. Patient. Patient is the key when it comes to trading. It's pretty clear that investors were focused entirely on action from the Federal Reserve last year. The central bank announcement to raise the interest rate and sharp follow through led to a big change for the worse in how they nearly assessed our value. Well, the Fed move it's working. That's why the inflation is taming down little by little. You know what's the other kind of like bothering news is China. They opened they removed the COVID restriction already. So there's a lot of people got affected. And one of the other things they were hiding the data, the COVID data they have. I wonder what's the test look like now. All right, let's see. Booking CMG. One of the things I really like trading. It's in overbought, and it's below the opening line on a 4 hours time frame. This is what it looks like. One hour time frame, red candle. Thing gap up. Wow. Let me remove those support and resistance. Gap up. Still like trading option. Mini Nasdaq is flashing red right now on a 1 hour time frame, and the RSI is moving downward. And on my left side right here, these are the stop that gap down. The mini Nasdaq red candle is ready, including the Nikkei heading downward. RSI on the mini Nasdaq heading downward on a 1 hour time frame. Not on a 4 hour time frame yet. Back again. This side of screen that I have right now, most of them are micro crude oil, micro E-mini now, A micro GBP USD dollar as a forex. Most of them are micro except for the Nikkei 22. We don't have any micro for this or even mini. So these are my watch lists, the massive watch list that I have. But I'm going to trade them until we become specialized with this, and then we will apply for a funding for a company. That's the goal. That's the main goal for this. See what's the market moving now. Dow Jones is only up 35 points. Hitting downward, me and Nasdaq is red, but it's still down $100. Nikkei up 275. They saw my overnight position a while ago. We are waiting for to make the Nasdaq, meaning Nasdaq, reverse course, but still moving upward based according to RSI. Nikkei, when they opened yesterday at 6, let me see, I even wrote it down, 1840. Nikkei opened at 1840. The most volatile time they had was 1840 yesterday, and the opening it spiked up. And I have a two contract on Nikkei, and I was down. I was down yesterday, almost like 3,000. But I know when I'm looking on the RSI that the Nikkei will go down. It spiked up yesterday. My position was right here, and spike up. thing was my position is right here, and spike up, open it, gap up. Now it's going down. Let me see on the 1 hour time frame if I can find it. Spike up yesterday. See this big candle right here, the yellow candle. By the way, this yellow candle, it would tell me that he's almost overbought. It doesn't mean when you turn yellow, you have to get in position right away. I think my position is right here yesterday. Then it spike up. Man, I was down almost 3,000, but I know it was overbought. So the next candle will be right here. Why do I keep on a 15 minutes time frame? Well, the 15-minute time frame is my entry. My overall market, when I'm looking at it for one equity, was a 4 hour time frame. And then I will go down to 1 hour time frame, where it's a trend direction. Then if when I get in, I will get it on a 15 minutes time frame. Some traders they buy or sell a position based according to 5 minute time frame, but that's just too noisy for me. Let me show you why I was saying it's too noisy. There's a lot of signal, false signal. See that noisy right there? There's a lot of noise. A lot of noise under here. And some trader, it's kind of amazed. I used to do this one too. Back in the day, 1 minute time frame. You're scalping. Man, this is too noisy. There's a lot of poor signal with this. Years of paper trading, I learned that the less noisy that I have is 15 minutes. Even though it's a 15 minutes, there's still a lot of noise for me. Then I went down all the way to 1 hour. Now I can say, what is the trend direction now? And then my overall market in trading is 1 hour time, 4 hours time frame. Once in a while, I always look on a daily time frame. Daily time frame. The red line you see over here is the oversold area. That is my indicator. And the cyan or the green line right here called cyan is my overbought area. It doesn't mean you have to go back. You have to enter right here. If you can enter position right here, so most of the time I do it too. Instead of buying right here where the yellow line is. This yellow line right here, that's the price, current price right now. If I will buy the position, I will buy it probably over here. Not all the way over here. Probably over here. About 2 hours down. Four-hour time frame is moving downward. I'm probably going to get out this night. Let's see. That's going to be my first warning. Red alert. This is a swing trading. Swing trading. Micro, EMI, Nasdaq moving sideways. change the color for the appearance right here. I want to make it more red. Right here at the bottom, buyer volume is almost 46%. Sellers, there's a lot of sellers coming in right now on a 1 hour time frame. We just only have $147, 141. Will take a while before it's not, time check is 6:58. Still have 1 more hour to go. It's 7:05. I'm still waiting for. It look like this evening Nasdaq is still gonna continue to climb. Now the Nikkei hit the mid level of on a 1 hour time frame. That's why you had a green candle. I'm not going to take a loss for this. Right now, evening Nasdaq, I'm down $208. Total is 232 loss. I'm going to take a loss for this. I'm going to close it, closing my position. Like what I'm seeing, that's the reason why I'm closing it. Look like it's going to continue to climb up. Nasdaq moving upward on a 1 hour time frame. I have a loss of $209 on the mini Nasdaq for one contract. Nikkei, let's see if it's going to continue to go down. Moving upward. Nikkei is moving upward, but they haven't completed the whole down, going downward. Still waiting for it to happen, and I believe it's going to happen.